everybody, it's Desiree, and we are here to do another unboxing. As you've seen below, it is going to be Play by Sephora. You know, Play. If you don't know what Play by Sephora is, it is a $10 a month subscription, and you got to go to the Sephora site basically to sign up for it, I believe. Yeah, because I don't think I have a link to it. I don't think anybody does. There's a lot of sample sizes in here. Most months you end up with a perfume sample too, so if you're a person that's like me that's not big on the perfume, you might be a little when this box comes in, but still excited because there's like 4 other products in there that could be amazing. They have this Play Pass card for 50 points. I believe it was last month we were able to use our 50 points on the actual Sephora site online. Now it looks like they're possibly, yep, now they're going back to where you got to use this in the store. You got to buy a full-size item. It always comes with a little pamphlet. This one says, "Welcome to the Beauty Boardwalk." And on the other side of this, we'll tell you exactly what is in your box or bag. And I shouldn't be looking at this, but I'm looking. Alright, I know there's something else I'm forgetting to tell you guys. It'll come to me. Why did I close that up? I'm going to need that. We'll stick that over there. Inside the bag, or well, it always comes with a bag. And this one looks like this. I doubt I keep this, but I could be putting, you know, giveaway items into this bag. And it'll be alright. And the feels pretty full. And the first thing that's in here is Cover FX Power Play Foundation, long wearing coverage with a mattified weightless finish. Airbrush matte finish, weightless formula with medium to full buildable coverage, and long wear. I'm more of a light Physicians Formula Super CC Cream type girl. This is an N20, and it's a little scary when Sephora does this, but you know what? It may be too dark, too light, but I could find out if I even like the formula. So look at it that way. That's what it looks like. Let's go ahead and put this on. Now, did you notice anything different, like, other than now I match my face? Did you guys notice anything different? I did use my normal primer because I wanted to make sure this works with that. At least I know what that primer's like. So, it does give like a powdery matte finish. To the point, if you don't need to add powder, don't add it. I'm a person that needs to add powder because I do get shiny and oily really quickly if I don't, and that just made it worse. But maybe in a few hours when it kind of melts into my skin, maybe that'll be better. As of right now, it's settling in my big lines. Oh no. Okay, it's gonna be alright. It'll be alright. So we've got the rest of our makeup on. I'm trying out something else. You guys have already seen the video for that. Alright, the next thing in here is, oh, gotta open this up. We have Urban Decay's Quick Fix Hydracharged Complexion Priming Spray, Multitasking Priming Spray that brightens, smooths, or soothes and hydrates your skin. I have one of these and I've never used it. It's a sample size and I believe it came from Sephora also. Maybe this might help a little bit. Oh, that's a wide spray. Smell the coconut in that. Let's see if we have any issues. We're going to tap that in and go on our way. Oh, I was supposed to shake that. Did I shake that? 8 to 10 inches from your skin before misting several times. You can use it before applying makeup and throughout the day to refresh your look. And oh my gosh, where some of it landed on my arm over here, it's really sticky now. Oh, okay, that better not be how it sits on my skin. I will give it a second. Alright, I keep looking and reading because I haven't really looked in here too much. So, the next thing in here, if I would have known this was in here, I wouldn't have went ahead and used my other dry shampoo. This is Worth a Dry IGK First Class Charcoal Detox Dry Shampoo. I've never tried this brand before. I want to know what the smell of it is. I've mentioned before applying Ipsy Bingo or BoxyCharm Bingo. There's Sephora Play Bingo. Smells girly, powdery, floral with, and that's only half of the side. The other half of the side smells like rubbing alcohol. Lovely. We'll give it a try. I'm not going to complain. I'm going to give it a try. And we have me cheating because I'm looking on here and digging around for something that feels like what I see on paper. It says, Clinique, take the day off makeup remover for lids, lashes, and lips. Shake well, then apply to a cotton pad. Place pad on eyes or lips and hold for a few seconds, then wipe away. Not even the toughest waterproof mascara is the match for this tried and tested oil-free makeup remover that uses a blend of silicones to dissolve your boldest looks. We'll give her a try. There's a few Clinique products that have given me rashes, eye infections, a lot of other stuff. So we'll give it a try. You know, it's all for you guys and YouTube, and I don't care. I don't go nowhere. So if something happens to me, I'm here. Nobody sees me except for you guys. So that's all you guys have to say. Alright, we have, we got this BoxyCharm too. And I'm so happy. It's the Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. Oh, if you have never tried this, do try this. Find a what, I believe this size right here is like $10. I know that's a lot because there's not really a whole lot in here. I think it is got a seal on it. Yeah. But for $10, try it. Because later on you're going to end up spending the whole amount for the largest size. And the last thing that's in my box, surprise, surprise, is not a perfume. Yay! Sorry, I'm not a perfume person. It is the Marajo Deep Treatment Butter and Nourishing Cleansing Cream. I just seen this not too long in something. I opened up something in the last like couple weeks that had this in it. That's fine. I haven't got to use that one yet either. So it's a hydrating shampoo and conditioner set that nurtures hair with botanical oils and rich butter. Ooh. In a shower, wash your hair with a cleansing cream, rinse, and then apply a quarter-sized amount of treatment butter. Let it sit for 2 to 3 minutes before washing it out. Well, that's interesting. We will give it one of these a try, and if it doesn't work out for me, I will put it in a giveaway because everybody's different. Some things work for others that don't work for me. Hey, I will have to look on my Ipsy Bingo and see if... I think I actually already looked. I think I cheated. When, like, my subscription addiction sends out her email or on Facebook or Instagram, you know, what the products are going to be in, like, Ipsy or Sephora Play, I go down through that list. I have 6 different things. You know what? If you guys want to know how to play this game, let me know down in the comments. I will make a video on it. It's kind of fun. I mean, we can all play along. And we'll just have a bingo time. And might set up a subscriber giveaway to go along with that. Just let me know if you guys are interested down below. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Let me know what you got in your Let me know what you got in your Sephora Play box. And I will see you all later. Hit the like, leave a comment, hit the subscribe. Bye.